Hi, my name's Valerie and I was fortunate enough to be chosen as a mystery shopper, and I got a gift card for £100 to spend at Currys. So we chose to go to the Stockport store, which is a larger store, so we would have more choice. So the rain was hammering down a bit, but it was quite a nice day to be going out to think, yes, I've got £100 to spend. And we decided previously that we'd probably buy a coffee making machine, but unsure as to what make we wanted. So off we went, and in store, nice layout, easy to find what we wanted. And we were looking at the coffee machines when an assistant came up and said, could she help? This lady was called Victoria. And we said to just give us a few minutes and then we might make a decision as to what we wanted or help with choosing something. So she went away and gave us a little bit of time, came back, and we decided on what looked like a machine that we would be able to cope with, not too complicated. So we chose a DeLonghi espresso coffee making machine, and it takes pods and it will also take ground coffee. So this is the machine, and we really are very pleased with it. It's been a godsend, really. It's super. That's where you put your coffee in there, or your pod, and this bit here is for the milk, for hotting it up and also for frothing it. So we've really been very pleased with it, and I must say that the assistant was very, very helpful. We wanted some knowledge or some questions. We had some questions to ask which she couldn't answer, but she did try. She had a tablet which she looked on. She also tried on the internet to find the answer to our query, but couldn't. And also her manager Gary couldn't find the information either. He hadn't got it to his hands. But all in all, it was fine. I think the only thing was there was no information with the machine itself, with the ones on show. There was no information, so that was a bit difficult. Anyway, purchasing was easy. Victoria again was at the cashier point, so she saw us through, offered us extended warranty, which we didn't really want, so we were parcelled up and away we went home, and we've really been pleased with it. We gave the score at 4.5, and they're just half a point off was because of the lack of information with the actual machine. So yeah, we're pleased with it, and that's it. Thank you.